Here's a really quick video on how to polarize a 6-volt generator. This will work on virtually any tractor that you have, regardless of whether you have a cutout or a regulator. This happens to be a cutout, but basically you want to short between your A post on your generator, so the ammeter post on your generator, to the battery post on your voltage regulator or cutout. Or you could go straight from this back to the negative post on your battery. Now remember, this is positive ground, so negative is actually the side that feeds current into everything. But so basically this is going to be a little hard to do one-handed, but you'll want to, here, 1 second. Okay, I've freed up my hand here. So you'll want to have one end of the wire on the battery post and then just touch the ammeter. You see the sparks? You're done. That's all. Start her up. If you've got a cutout system, you'll have to turn to either high or low charging, and you can see your ammeter pop up. But that's all there is to it.